Oh, God, go suck your mother. Clear. Buckland.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What I want again, unstoppable family? So people, Pastor Peter Chambers, me not have to tell you about him again, because you know already know who him is already. Let's just get into it. Pastor Peter Chambers had a meeting / ceremony in Arthur Square yesterday. And the ceremony looked like it was supposed to be a church ceremony, but it then turned into an anti-vaccine protest. Because you could have seen persons chanting no vaccine. And you could have seen from the little clip I'm showing at the beginning of the video. Persons were there chanting no vaccine, and they were preaching against it and saying that, yo, the government are try force it upon them and I try take with them rights. And you don't know, Sir Peter Chambers has always been one where against the government, specifically Andrew Holness. Now people, my concern is this. Something like that occurred in Arthur yesterday. Me hear where certain people are talking about this thing called media blackout, you know. And this have me wondering right now. Because something like this happened yesterday in an Arthur and people, me I tell you know this. And if you don't believe me, you go look for yourself. When I saw this, me searched upon every media outlet to find this information about persons in Arthur protesting and saying no vaccine. And me not see it nowhere. Me check the Gleaner, the Observer, the Star, me check TVJ, me check CVM, and not one of those platforms talking about what happened in Arthur yesterday. Only clips circulating on social media is where we can find. Now, what that say? You talk to me down below, you know, because I would love to know why is it that something like that happened and no media outlet, none of the major media outlets covered that story to say Jamaicans out there in numbers protesting this situation. More want to tell me in the comments below what you think about what go on right there. So Zine, me go look out for your comment. Now, people, this lady right here, she is crying out again. I said, boy, this no movement thing is affecting her. She cry out and said she now have no food first. And now she's crying out again, saying that she now have no light. And this no movement restriction is affecting her even more. Take a listen.
After crying out for food, say we not have no food for eat in the lockdown. Now me not have no light for survive. Fan stop spin, so we under eat. We need light. We need food. We need water. Under this lockdown, yeah, we have 7 more days out of lockdown, and we don't have light. And them say turn your yard so we cannot get to work. So what is going to happen to us? See the baby them here out the road. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. No light is on our premises. So we have to live by the street light. What is going to happen to us? We need light. We need a new system to change.
But the sad part about this thing is her cry is just one out of many. Because there are several Jamaicans right now who are struggling to feel the blunt of this thing, you know. Enough Jamaican there, Jamaica right now, hungry and can't find a meal even before this thing come. So imagine how them feel it right now. It's extremely hard. The truth of the matter is, Jamaicans need help. Jamaican citizens right now, dead, pauperized, and need serious help. Me I tell you no. Now the brother here, him a vent, him upset, him angry, and him a lash out at Anjo. See, the man a talk about a whole heap of things, and me can't understand where him a come from. And one of the things them where him said to him, say, boy, Mama Portia was better than even Anjo. No, some of you might agree, some of you might disagree. More on talk to me down below too and tell me, do you agree with what I must say when him say Portia better than Anjo? Check him out. Hear what I must say.
Anjo. That don't make sense with talking, brother. It don't make sense to people them ball. All when tears are come out of them. You don't care, you don't give a flying Anjo, let me tell you something. Yan, a politician them a whole and secure, you know. Uno get paid for 24 hours, every minute, every hour, every second idea, you know, brother. Uno get paid the whole 24-hour idea, you know. Feed you know. And on 8-hour work on do, you know. Phone money run straight through, brother. Phone money bank up. You get allowance for all on no dog. Allowance for man where cut on no grass. You get allowance for gas. You get allowance for your wife. You get money for everything, brother. So for your pocket ever fat. So when you say lockdown, prison style, brother. Lockdown prison style. No movements. And the people in there nothing for them, brother. Eh? And you know have no little heart for that. You know see that? Eh? Wanna do it with tax money them. Wanna do it with money. Wanna collect tax for brother. Cause uno spend money in a Jamaica, you know. Cause watch on a dirty stinking style now. Hospital one bed, donation. School for paint, donation. Road for fix, donation. Every thing a donation on wait for. I wanna get money for do it. I wanna still grab money out of you know. And give little contractor them make them erode them and dash little paint pan the school and put 2 bed in the hospital and say, oh, wanna spend the people them money, you know. Every thing wanna put in a phone pocket, brother. Eh? Brother, you know see a lot down the people them where wanna put down here so in a city. Wanna up on clot hill and gather people them down in a city and put police and soldier down there. Anything they do, wanna kill them clot or send them to prison. Eh? Minimum wage $7,000. Brother, you get the people them upset now. You get me real upset no matter how man chat, you know, listening up. Hey boy. Hey. Don't make we get up, you know. Cause you see when we get up and start step, my warrior and my warriors them. That's why I'm call upon the woman them, you know. You see Portia, Mama Portia, big respect to you, you know, cause a woman are saying everywhere we go, man, class style, you know, and a sell we out, you know, brother. Mama Portia, you hear me? Me want you make a talk for you get up people then. I used to get up, I used to garrison. And you are the mama, a real leader. Some man for move them, some long seed boy. What them not go? Hey, what do them man?
Now basically what me gather from what he must say, you know, the man I say, yo, you see poor people are the ones who are vulnerable in this whole thing here. The man I say, meanwhile, poor people down in the slum, down in the ghetto, down the pauperized neighborhood them, our communities, they are struggle. The soldier them and police them get sent down there to keep them under control and keep them under order. Anything move dead or get locked up is what the man I say. Meanwhile, the people them in the upper class, meaning like politicians and middle class people who have it, sit up on the hilltop and look down upon the people them down there and no concern, none at all. Is basically what my boy I say. See? So my question is, when is it going to change? When is there something going to be put in place for the lower class of people to be alright too? That are the question we are asked. Now people, with everything that is happening, you don't know, say, the hospitals, them overwhelmed right now. A lot of things are going on. We see pictures, we see videos surfacing of people are laid down on floor in a hospital right now because the hospital, them overcrowded. So the viral doctor right here, so right now, the man a plea to everybody. The man a say, yo, you may say, no man, we don't need to try and be safe. Stop do certain foolishness we are going to make you have to run to hospital. Because emergencies alone, the doctors and the nurse them are focused on right now. So if you want to go do a little full create challenge and drop and broke your hand and things say you go up to hospital and them are going to make your case a priority, you get it wrong. If you want to go there, go do some little foolishness and hurt yourself and go up to hospital, your case is not going to be a priority. Is basically what the man has said. So take a listen to what the viral doctor officer right here. So
alright people, I'm talk it plain and simple. The hospitals are operating under emergency mode only, which basically means that if you come to the hospital with a minor injury, the chances of you getting through is going to be very low, because right now are only life and death situations we're mostly dealing with. Most of the attention is being paid to the people who have COVID symptoms and were COVID positive. The hospital them full up. So all of the excitement with the reckless driving, the reckless bike driving, the people them fall out of ackee tree, mango tree, plum tree, all of the picnic them will have ramp on the road and know them get injured before, better on go on the bed. Because right now the hospital can't take no more excitement. Me I talk it straight. You understand what me I say? Emergencies only. So please be extra careful. If you run on the road, please walk on the road. If you used to drive fast, please drive slow. You understand? If you burn garbage, try not to burn yourself. Please be extra careful, be extra cautious and vigilant, because me know accidents happen, but right now I know the time for no accident. You understand? Because the place full of people. I for your benefit, I for everybody benefit. So please just be extra careful. Alright? Stay safe.
Now me I tell you now, no better take heed and understand what the man I talk about, because some of you not take certain things serious. You know, like laugh and and not take things serious. Listen, it's a serious situation when you go to a hospital and you're in a pain, and them have to tend to more serious cases before them get to you. Don't put yourself in that situation there. Me understand what the viral doctor say, and I hope you understand. Seeing? Watch on people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. More on a like, more on a share, more on a comment. You wanna more on to give that video here some likes, man. Give me at least 1,000 likes on that video here. More appreciate it. And share it out. No matter what, you know. Don't make nobody stop you. Remember, me name Unstoppable. My gun.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.